Hello children, good morning. This is the second class of the unit Matter and Materials. In the previous class, we learnt about different states of matter, materials and an introduction to fibers. Today, we are going to see about natural fibers, that is mainly about three plant fibers: cotton, the process of manufacturing fabrics from cotton and its uses, jute and its uses, coir and its uses, synthetic fiber and uses of synthetic fibers. What are natural fibers? The fibers we get from plants and animals are called natural fibers. Cotton, jute, coir are examples for plant fibers. Let's see about cotton. Cotton is a bushy plant of 5 to 6 feet high. It grows well in black soil and alluvial soil. It bears large number of small green pods called cotton balls. These balls contains seeds covered with white fibers. When the cotton balls mature, they burst, exposing the white fibers of cotton. Let's see the process of making fabric from cotton. This is the flow chart that shows the process of making fabric from cotton. The raw fibers are separated from the seeds by a process called ginning. The fibrous material left after separating cotton seeds is called lint. The lint is then tied and pressed into balls, and the process of making yarn from lint is called spinning. The process of making yarn from lint is called spinning. Yarn is converted into fabric by the two important processes called weaving and knitting. Let's learn about these processes step by step. Ginning. What is ginning? Ginning is the process of separating seeds and fibers. The next process is spinning. Spinning is a process of making yarn from the lint or fiber. And the next two important processes are weaving and knitting. The process of making two sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called weaving. It is done by weavers on a machine called weaving loom. Knitting. Knitting is process of fabric making by interlooping of yarn. It is done by hand and also on machine. Children, look at these pictures. These are cotton balls with seeds. Then we get cotton fibers by the process called ginning. And these cotton fibers are also called as lint. The lint is pressed into balls and it is made into yarn by the process called spinning. This is yarn. And the other two processes involved are weaving and knitting. This is the fabric made by weaving technique and this is the fabric made by knitting technique. Let's see the uses of cotton. Cotton is used to manufacture cotton textiles and garments. It is used as fillers in pillows and mattresses. It is also used for making surgical bandages and for making dhotis, saris, bed sheets, tablecloth and so on. Next, we are going to learn about jute. Jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. It has long, soft and shiny fibers. In this picture, you can see how it is harvested. And here it is bundled for the retting process. So here in the retting process, the bundles are kept immersed in the water. Then the fiber is cleaned and it is dried and then it is bleached. Jute fibers are converted into yarns in the same manner as in the case of cotton. Now let's see the uses of jute. Jute is used for making bags, carpets, curtains and ropes. It is also used for making sacks for storing grains. And it is used for making wall hangings for decoration. The third plant fiber is coir. Coir fiber is obtained from the outer covering of the coconut. It is used to make floor mats, door mats, brushes and mattresses. Next we move on to synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are made by human beings with the help of chemical process. These fibers are obtained from coal, petroleum and natural gas. There are four main types of synthetic fibers. They are rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. Let's see the uses of the synthetic fibers. Rayon is obtained by the chemical treatment of wood pulp. This fiber has the similar properties to that of silk. So it is also called as artificial silk. It is used to make rope, clothes, carpets and bedsheets. The next synthetic fiber is nylon. It is prepared from air, water and coal. It is stronger than steel wire. It is used for making fishing nets, ropes, parachutes and bristles for brushes. Polyester. It is derived from coal, air, water and petroleum. It is suitable to make dress materials, hoses, conveyor belt, bottles and wires. And the last one is acrylic. It is alternative to expensive wool. It is used to make sweaters, shawls and blankets. That's all about today's class, children. Thank you.